Key factors in motor starter selection. First, you need to identify the motor type and size. This involves determining if it's an AC or DC motor, whether it's single-phase or three-phase, and its horsepower rating. The motor's nameplate is a vital source of information, providing details on its operating voltage, current, and other essential parameters. Next, consider the application requirements. What specific needs does your application have? This includes factors like the required starting torque, whether speed control is necessary, and how frequently the motor will start and stop. For instance, if you need to reduce the starting current, a soft starter might be a better fit than a direct online (DOL) starter. If speed control is essential, then a variable frequency drive (VFD) or a soft starter would be appropriate. The starting current is another critical element. Different motors have varying starting current demands. DOL starters, while simple, can draw very high inrush currents, which can lead to voltage dips and put stress on other electrical components. Soft starters, on the other hand, minimize this inrush current by offering a more controlled startup. Ensure the motor starter's control voltage is compatible with your existing electrical system. The control voltage is what activates the starter's coil and initiates the motor's operation. Environmental conditions at the installation site are also important. Factors like temperature, humidity, and dust can significantly impact the starter's performance and lifespan. Types of motor starters and additional considerations. When it comes to the starter type itself, you have several options. DOL, direct online, starters are the simplest and most cost-effective, but as mentioned, they can lead to high inrush currents. Soft starters gradually ramp up the voltage, reducing both inrush current and mechanical stress on the motor. Autotransformer starters are typically used for larger motors to reduce starting current effectively. Star-delta starters provide a reduced voltage startup by initially connecting the motor in a star configuration, then switching to a delta configuration once the motor has started. Beyond these technical considerations, there are several additional factors to keep in mind. Cost. Factor in not just the price of the starter but also its installation and any associated equipment. Size. The physical size of the starter needs to be compatible with the available space. Thermal considerations. Ensure the starter is rated to handle the thermal conditions it will be exposed to during operation. Overload protection. This is crucial for preventing damage to both the motor and the starter itself. Warranties and support. Always verify the warranty and ensure that adequate customer support is available if you encounter any issues.